One. What's up, everybody? This is Joe, co-founder and CEO at forexpropfirm.com. Today, I'm with Carmen. She's funded with a $100,000 account. So congrats on that. We're going to talk about that. And Nicholas, which is co-founder with me at forexpropfirm.com. It's the first time that you see him on this interview. And he will be running the interview today. I will be there in the background. I will take off my camera after the introduction, and I will be there if there's something. And guys, I just wanted to let you know what we do at forexpropfirm.com. We are the #1 prop firm. Well, that is our goal. When we started the prop firm, we said we want to have the better rules, the better pricing, the better payout, the better support, everything. So that is literally our goal. And so far, we have a lot of feedback that we're already crushing the top firm in the industry. So definitely check us out. The link in the bio, you will have a 10% discount off, guys. And you can trade Forex. It's called forexpropfirm.com, but you can trade crypto, Forex, indices, commodities, and stocks. So Nicholas, NickFX10, also known as NickFX10 on social media, guys, follow him. The link is going to be in the bio. I will pass it to you for this interview.
Thanks, Jonathan. So thanks, Carmen, to joining. Thanks to get funded with us at forexpropfirm.com. It's always a pleasure to have good trader trading for us, our live trading capital. So tell me a little bit about you, Carmen.
Well, I am from the nature island of the Caribbean, Dominica. Recently unemployed. Consider myself as a self-driven person, and I am very passionate about helping others.
So you're passionate about trading and everything. Do you only trade Forex, or like you trading other market like cryptocurrency?
Forex, crypto, and the main one which I love is indices.
Yeah. So which pair are you trading the most? And this is US 30 or
US 30 and NAS.
Yeah.
100.
I like to hear that. I like to hear that. So you're a little bit on every market right now.
But I try not to be too much on every market, but I try to mainly focus on the indices.
Okay, I like that. I like that. And how long have you been trading?
For the past 3 years now.
So you're trading for 3 years, so you're a good experienced trader right now.
I would consider myself so, yes.
As you know, the statistics are like 90% of traders losing 90% of their capital in 90 days. So they stop trading after that. So congrats to still being in the trading world after 3 years.
Thank you.
It's very, very, very good. So briefly describe your trading plan and how it's contribute in your success.
Well, my trading plan, I mainly use low risk to high rewards. I always use supply and demand zones, moving averages to get the entries for my trades. And this has helped me greatly because I would never be where I am today. And I always place my stop loss. That's important. You always have to place a stop loss because if a trade goes against you, you could end up just blowing your entire account.
And in the funding program, it's really, really important because you have some rules to respect on the stop loss and everything. So it's a good thing because in funding program, you don't have the choice to use stop loss, right? And playing risk reward trade, I think is the best way to get profitable in this market. So it's very, very nice. And it was the same for me right now. I'm always trading the good risk reward trade. We always want to win more than what we can lose.
Right.
Yeah. So share with us a challenge you faced in your trading career and how you overcame it.
Well, one of the challenges I was having is that when I would place a trade, it depends if it is in positive or negative, I'll be quick to close that trade. And now that I have overcame that, I examine the market, I see how it's going, I do my research, I keep on educating myself. Now I'm in a better position to hold trades for a longer period of time. And in that sense, it is more profitable to me.
So I imagine as a trader, you never stop learning every day.
Right.
You always want to explore more, learn more, and always be better. This is our goal as a trader, because market always evaluating, and we want to follow the trend, follow the market. So
definitely,
it's pretty good, pretty good. How did you adjust risk management in your trading personality?
Well, I simply got out of that scalping mentality. That's basically it. Because of the scalping, you would like hold a trade for 2 to 3 minutes, 5 minutes. But when I look at the price action and the way the market is going, be it that your trade might be in a little negative sometime, that's a drawdown. But when you let the market play out, you get the big rewards.
So I guess as I hear you, trading as a scalper, you scalping the market, or you more like taking swing trades?
I used to scalp.
Scalp? You like scalping?
No, I used to scalp. I come out of that scalping mentality. I'm more like a swing trader, day trader.
Okay, yeah, same as me.
Yes.
Scalping is way too much emotional for me. It takes way too much time as well, because when you scalping the market, you always need to like be there every morning in the chart and never stop, and it's a lot of emotion as a trader.
Yes.
And when you're trading, the goal is not to have any emotion, because we are human, and human are not born to be a trader. We are too emotional when it comes to trading. I know it. Yeah. 8 years of experience right now I have, and yeah, it's the most difficult part in trading is emotion, and control ourselves, be patient with the market, following the market. Pretty important. So yeah, I like that. Describe. This is a good one. Describe a key moment in your trading career. As a trader, we all have good moment, bad moment. Describe one of your key moments in your trading career.
The key moment for me was passing this evaluation process.
Okay.
That was a key moment of my trading career.
So it's because
at the end of it, I was totally excited.
So it's like a congrats.
Yeah.
As I say, we always like to have good trader passing our challenge and give them live capital to trade our capital. This is our goal. This is our goal with Forex Firm. We want good trader trading our capital. This is how we all making money together. This is the only way that a good prop firm that give live capital to their trader can success with them with their trader. So I always like to hear what is the key moment in a trader career, because I like the positivity. I like to know the trader achievement. So congrats.
Thank you.
It's always a pleasure, as I say. So
if I can ask a question, if it's because I was listening in the background, but I was I have important things, so that's why there's a lot of stuff in the background for me. But I was listening, and it come back to like the start of the interview. So sorry if that's gonna be like, well, where do you come from with this? But because at the start you said, and we skip over that part. So I just wanted, maybe there's things you want to share, and I'm interested in personal development. And I saw you said I like helping. I'm self-driven and very passionate about helping others. So I didn't want to skip this. I want to know basically what are you doing, and what do you love doing, and all that, because I want to hear that. I love people that are passionate about helping others. I'm the same.
I am my skill level is like technical, and I have been in situations where others needed help. I mean, I don't have much, but as long as I am in a position to help them, I have to give them whatever they ask for. I will give it. I would prefer stay without, knowing that somebody else out there is suffering, and not help them.
I love that. All right. Well, that's great. Like you said, you recently
Yes, I'm recently unemployed.
Unemployed as well, so that's why you're saying
Yes.
like it's changing, like it's a
right. So right now I have a little more time to myself so that I could analyze the markets better. Because at the beginning I was like mainly following signal providers, and you know how that can go.
So you never been like full-time trading, constantly
No,
profitable, and
not consistent.
wow. So wow,
Yes.
that's great, because that challenge to us is proving that you have to be consistently profitable the way we said it. So that's
Yes.
insane. Like I want to congrat again. I'll just pass it back to Nicholas, but I want to congrat
Thanks.
you again.
Same.
And
Thank
can't
you,
wait.
thank you.
I'm literally creating the account right now, so I want to say that as well. So we're gonna get it to your email right now. I like, people don't have to get on this interview, but if they say, "Oh, I don't want to be public and all that," we're like, okay, no worries, we're gonna send you your account. But we always like to do the interview first, because we can connect with people.
Yes.
And we can also make sure that, well, even if there's nothing we can do about it really, but make sure that it's good traders, it's not
right,
just
and we
people.
also motivate others, tell them not to give up, don't give up, don't ever give up.
There you go. There you go. I love that. I love that. So I'll be in the background creating your account.
Thanks.
We like that. We like that. I like that. So, and I see the question. This is a good one as well. How long it took for you to become a consistent trader, and what aspect did you change to help you to become consistent?
It took me roughly around 2 years, and to become consistent, I had to keep educating myself on the market, what drives the market, follow the news, stop depend on signal providers.
News?
Yeah, some not really, but sometimes I will try and get in there. And definitely I try not to depend on any signal provider. I create my own analysis and I follow it.
This is very, very good. And this is what I've always said to every people that wanted to start trading. Like, don't follow other people trade. It can be good for a short-term period, but like, you want to be the one who starts your own trade. You want to be in control, that you, on your own destiny and your own result, that you don't want to depend of anyone.
Right.
So this is a great mentality. And yes, this is very, very good. And so it took you 2 years to become a consistent traders. And like, do you took a lot of training? How are you educating yourself between these two first trading years that you have been?
Oh, nothing is not the first, maybe the last 2 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like that. So what is your mental psychological strength, and how did you develop it?
Well, my mental strength to me is always believe in myself and always have faith in what I do. I always keep a positive mindset no matter what I do, where I go. And to me, I developed that at an early age, because I never had that, how should I say it? I never believed in depending on others. And to me, life growing up was not easy. So I vowed that I want to make a change for myself and my family.
Do you have kids, or?
No, I don't have kids. Just my siblings and my mom.
Yeah, we all want the better for our family and for people that we like. Congrats.
Right. So my mom took care of me for my life, so now it's my turn to take care of her.
I have the same mentality, and this is why we are there, to take care of them back. So it's very, very good. So as we all know, in Forex Prop Firm, during the challenge, you have 2-step evaluation. So you have to pass the first step, then you have to pass the second step of evaluation. And what was your strategy to successfully passing FPF two-step evaluation, like the first and the second evaluation? Because we know that the first one, you need to do 8% without losing 12%. And at the moment you pass the first stage, the second stage is more easier because you restart another account and you need only to do 5% and lose 12%. So it's way more easier.
You're right.
So what was your strategy to like pass the two-step evaluation?
Well, I keep within the parameters given. I followed my price action, I use my support and resistance zones, and I always check the currency meter whenever I place a trade.
So what I hear is like that you have a good strategy, and this strategy you respect it 100% of the time.
Yes.
And you stay fixed on the strategy, and like this is the goal, you know, because when we have a good strategy which is profitable, like this is what every trader wants.
Right.
So when you have a good strategy, the most important thing is to like stay on this and don't take another road and be like don't do the good thing, you know, like we all experience it, like bad moment and good moment in trading. And
yeah, we all do.
It's all in your head, in our head.
I don't let my emotions take over.
Yeah, it's the most important thing in trading, because you know at every moment thing can change like this, and if you don't manage good, if you're like too much on the trade, it can be bad. So congrats.
Thank you.
What you will recommend to someone who just start trading with us?
Number one, follow the rules.
Follow the rules.
Definitely follow the rules.
Yeah.
You have a trading plan, you stick to it, you set your daily target, you set your daily loss. So if you maintain, okay, you have a 10K account, you want to make, let's say, $1,000 a day. After the $1,000 a day, you wait for the next day. Try not to rush the process. And most importantly, have patience. Yeah.
I like it. So yeah, stick to our trading plan, stay focused. I think that you are good to keep consistent in your daily routine as well as a trader. Can you talk a little bit about it? What is your daily routine every day? Like which market session you trading? You trading New York, London session, or at every time of the day?
Well, I usually monitor the market, and if I see the trend that I want going in the favor that I want it to go, I will take that trade.
So you don't have a specific time of the day that you're taking trade?
Not really.
You're just looking. Do you use fundamental analysis or only technical analysis?
I use both.
Both. So okay, it's very good for swing trading. You need to be aware of both. That's for sure.
Yes.
Because market can switch trend like this.
Everything, all news affects the markets right now.
Yeah. Okay, so thank you. I think it's all that we have to talk today. It's always a pleasure, as I said previously, to have good funded trader with us. Congrats again, Carmen, to get funded with the best 2022 Forex prop firm. It's always a pleasure, and I wish that we're gonna make a lot of profit together in the next months and years.
Here you go. Here you go. We always add also if there's anything you wanted to add, and also after you can share your social media, if there's social media you want to share or whatever.
Well, to be honest, I'm just grateful for the opportunity. And as we speak, my account is here.
Here you go. Here you go. So for the people thinking that it's fake, we would have to be really on another level to do all of that.
That's right. It's here.
Yeah. So hey, well, congrats again. It was a quick and short interview, but that's great. Like we went through pretty much what was on the form. So that's great. Great motivation for people, short and sweet, but we learned what we needed to learn. Definitely in the future, we're looking to maybe do a kind of a group inside Telegram for all our funded members. So we'll probably see you in there.
And definitely.
Will be a pleasure.
So congrats again.
Thank you.
And have a great end of your day.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Carmen. Congrats and take care of you and your family.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
Yes.
Okay, bye.
Take care. And for everybody, I'm going to stay here a little bit to let you know that this podcast and everything that we do at forexpropfirm.com is sponsored by 8cap. There's a link in the bio. You can get started with us and get a free $5,000 instant funding account, free signals, access to our premium membership, which is an online mentoring group with Nick for 12 months. If you sign up with a broker, you deposit $500 and trade a minimum of 1 lot. If you're from a country that is not accepted, all you got to do is promote that offer to 3 people that are from a country that is accepted. Once you have your 3 people that have took this offer, they will get the offer and you will get the offer as well as a bonus. It's like a 4 for 3. So Nick, thanks a lot for your time. We're getting better and better at this, and I love it. I love it because it was different from my interviews because there's a different aspect of you trading more. So yeah, it was.
So it's a pleasure to share my experience and everything that I learned in this 8 trading years with y'all. And that's it. It's always a pleasure to be there for us and for the business and for our funded trader. That's for sure.
Yeah. So we're actually going to have another interview literally that we're going to record in like 1 hour. You guys are going to see it every Monday on our Forex Prop Firm YouTube channel, but on our main channel, Golden Option Trading Forex channel on YouTube with more than 13,000 subscribers, we're going to repost the interview from the past. We're going to cut them in shorter video so you can just get the 5-10 minute like tips every day, or just remind yourself of these great tips that people are giving us in these interviews. And we will do more podcasts, man. Nick, we have a plan to like do 1 podcast every week, just talk about the market, what we see, everything. We like to talk about cryptos, Bitcoin, gold, GBP, GPY, and all of that. So thanks a lot, guys. Join us. 10% off, link in the bio. This podcast is sponsored by 8cap, the best freaking broker. You can trade Forex, crypto, indices, commodities, everything. Click the link in the freaking bio and join us, guys, because it's literally free.
Take care.
Take care, guys.